Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Grange CCCU Assembly. And we have made it to summer one. We know what we're all about at Grange. We have our CC way. We want to be great, caring people with a great caring attitude. We want to always be trying our best. We want to always be learning, especially from our mistakes. We're going for improvement and progress. We use our education to help us to make really good choices for ourselves, and we never give up. We are CC learners. We know about true strength. We know physical strength, really important. Eat well, sleep well, exercise. But the real strength inside you is your character strength. When you are the best that you can be, can help you to overcome any challenge, can help you to solve any problem that you face as you go through your whole life. And any time in your life when you face a challenge, just remember, I was at Grange and I know about character strength, and I can get through this because I have the CC way. If you come to Grange, that's something you get. You get the CC way. It helps you to solve problems. It gives you the character strength. And every time you have a problem, you just ask yourself, okay, which character strength am I going to use? So character strength, Grange style, is all about confidence. We know that. Confidence for me, for myself, each one of you. Think to yourself, I deserve to be here. I have a right to be here. I am worthy, and I should live a really great life. And at the same time, consideration for everybody around you and for the whole world. And if you can get the balance right between the confidence and the consideration, then there is no question you're going to make the world a better place, and we're all going to gain from it. Here are our pupils of power. Jacob, you have been brilliant this year, right through, and that's why you are there as a pupil of power. Irfan, the way you give me a CC salute in the corridor whenever you go past, amazing. Lauren at the gate, your CC salute is inspiring. Aaron and Samina and Andrada, the way you guys champion Spanish at Grange. Every time you ask me, how am I in Spanish? ¿Cómo estás, Senor Kerbal? Brilliant. You inspire me. Keep going, pupils of power. You get the wiggle for the pupils of power. And here we go. Who is getting the bounce for gold? In comes Nia and the whole of Nightingale class. Well done. So who are our class champions? Well, Nia in Beckham, Rocky-san in Ennis, Ruel in Holmes, Vanessa in Holmes, Louisa in Lister, Zara M in Seacole, Tanashiri in Nightingale. Well done. Grange House of Water, Bassett, Samina, Khalif, Louisa, Dima, Dennis, Zachariah, and Delia flying in, and Alex B flying in, and Alana flying in, and the swivel goes to Yusuf M. Well done. Grange House of Fire, Maria, Nia, Branshika, Ruel, Majid, Yakub, Hasunat, Rokisan, Ananga, Joshua, and Jahim. Flying in is Gala, Laurentio, and the swivel goes to Leo with a brilliant 152. Grange House of Air, Nikki, Ibrahim, Anna Maria, Walid, Farah, Mohammed K. Flying in is Adrian R, Sophie W, and Tiana. And the swivel goes to Daria. Well done. Grange House of Earth. We have Afsa, Vanessa, Maria A, Sanuja, Nahara, Ronessa, Sami AM, Shifa, Sharia. Flying in is Renaya, Jacob, and the swivel goes to Zara M with a brilliant 167. Brilliant. Grange Community, 18,110 brilliant points. Who are the classy classes? Well, Holmes class, excellent start to the summer, 991. Ennis class, brilliant, breaking the 1,000-point barrier. But the super Seco class, fantastic. So let's set ourselves a real challenge this half term, 75,000. We're going to make it. We've had Freddie, we've had the reindeers, we've got the pop plants. You guys in Seco have got your pop plants. I haven't yet said who the classy class was from Spring 2 to get the handprints, but we'll see that this week, hopefully. Let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the week ahead. Let's be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Everybody, let's be great. Let's be Grange.